Enabling Roblox notifications ensures that you never miss important updates, messages, friend requests, or game alerts. Whether you are waiting for a treat, tracking your favorite games, or staying connected with friends, turning on notifications keeps you updated instantly. Here's how to enable Roblox notifications on your device. You can go ahead and open your Roblox application and log into your account. Now tap on the More icon from the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll all the way down and go to Settings. Now tap on Notifications that you will find below Subscriptions. Once you're in the Notifications section, you'll get the option of Enable Notifications that is highlighted in blue color. Go ahead and tap on that. Now go ahead and open your device settings. Scroll all the way down and go to Apps. From here, you can scroll down and search for Roblox, or you can use the search icon in the top. Simply go ahead and type in Roblox and search for it. Once it appears, tap on that. Now tap on Notifications and toggle the switch of Allow Notifications. You can also select either Allow Sound and Vibration or keep it silent. That's it. This is how you can go ahead and enable Roblox notifications on your device. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.